Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is on how to prepare beans and yam recipe. Please sit down and watch this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel, share and like this video. Thank you. To prepare this meal, we need 2 cups of beans, black eyed beans, pepper, grounded crayfish, palm oil, onions, yam, salt, and some seasoning. I'm using 2 cubes Maggi. You wash your beans in warm water and put in pot. Cover and allow to cook till beans is soft. You put your yam. Put in your yams. Cut them to desired shape. You add your pepper. Some salt. Crayfish. Crayfish and onions are essential ingredients in this meal. Now I add my onions. They are very important to enhance the taste. Add some water and put some palm oil. Put some seasoning. Add more oil. Then stir well. Then cover my pot and allow it to cook. I stir well here also. And then check if my yam is soft enough. The yam is okay. Then allow to cook for some time. Taste for salt. Cover and set aside. Your food is ready. Now we have to let it cool and then serve. Serve warm. You see how the food is? Everything is now together. Serve warm. Enjoy. Please try this method. Share and like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Share this video, like and comment. Thank you.